Meet Taein. Like many of us, he's glued to his phone, constantly scrolling, checking notifications, and feeling more drained than ever. That's when Taein is introduced to How to Break Up with Your Phone. The book offers a step-by-step plan to help people regain control of their time and attention. Taein realizes that his constant phone use isn't just harmless, it's keeping him from being present in his own life. With small, manageable changes, Taein begins to notice a shift. He's more present during conversations, more focused at work, and he even sleeps better. Taein discovers that breaking up with his phone doesn't mean giving it up completely. It means using it intentionally. With the help of How to Break Up with Your Phone, Taein found the balance he needed, and now, he's in control of his time again. Regain your time, attention, and peace of mind. Discover How to Break Up with Your Phone by Catherine Price.